Hey everyone, welcome back to Card Magic Journey. If you're brand new to card magic or you're just learning sleight of hand, this channel is for you. Today we're going to dive into two foundational techniques that every beginner should learn early in their card magic journey. And the first one is giving the deck a complete cut. And then the second one will be a swing cut, which is kind of a flourish or a second type of complete cut of the deck. Now, these moves might seem simple at first, but it's going to play a huge role once you get it down in almost everything that you do from here on out. So again, if you're new to the program, I'm a brand new card magician, so I'm learning how to do this myself as we go and as I train and share my journey throughout the series here. And I'm taking stuff from the Card College books as well as the Royal Road to Card Magic, and I developed a system to teach myself step by step by step. And I'm documenting everything that we do, and as I grow and as I practice and as I do the card magician stuff, so that way I can share that journey with you guys. And I'm hoping that you guys can also share the journey with me. And you know, especially if you're new to card magic, you can join along and work through the process with me. So let's start with the basic cut. And this is where you're going to split the deck into two different parts. And then reassemble them in the reverse order. And this is kind of how we do it. So what we're doing is we're just going to use our end grip here, finger on top. We're just going to take our cards, set it down, pick up the next one, and just throw it down on a deck. Pick them up again, and you can transfer it over to the dealer's grip. Again, square the cards up when you're done. Okay. Another way we can do the basic cut is, let's say the cards are right down here. Again, just our end grip with our finger down, pick up the next grip, pack it, and down. And then you drop it down, you know, adds a little bit of a flair, a little bit of drama to the cards. And these cards are brand new, so that's why they're sliding all over the place. So again, square the deck up, set them down. We'll grab half the deck here, and boom. Now, you might be wondering, why does this really even matter? Isn't it just a regular cut? Well, that's kind of a good question, because you know the reason that we do a complete cut is a basis for a lot of the false shuffles, if you will, and the card controls. So if your basic cut looks natural and fluid, it's going to help sell the illusion later on. So especially when you're starting to mix in the sleight of hand techniques and stuff like that. Next up is going to be the swing cut. And this is going to be our first kind of flourish type handling of the cards that we've had in the series here. And yes, it does look kind of impressive to some people, but here, let me show you how it's done. So the swing cut, again, we're going to start in our dealer's grip here. And all we're going to do is we're going to take our index finger. We're using our front covered, or our covered end grip. We're just lifting up and twisting the cards over. I'm going to receive it with my thumb and my index finger and just switch the cards around. So just lift and swing, pull the bottom deck out, place it on top. And while I'm doing that, if you will notice, my thumb's on the side here. I lift up, receive. See how my thumb's here to keep those cards square? And I just replace them. So and I just keep on doing that. It's kind of a little flourish. It's a little bit different of a cut. Okay. And this is one that we're going to do all the dealer script. We really can't do it down here. I mean, I probably could. I've never tried it, but I guess I could. But, you know, we're going to basically do that in our hands. So all it is just to lift up, swing the cards over, receive with our index and thumb, throw the cards on top. So a question you might have is, how do I know that I'm doing that swing cut correctly? You know, should it feel smooth or does it feel awkward at first? And the answer is kind of a little bit of both. Basically, that swing cut, you know, it's going to help build muscle memory. And at first, it's going to feel clunky. But as you start developing that muscle memory, as you start developing, you know, through practice and repetition, it's going to start feeling totally normal. And at this point, you might ask yourself, what's the difference between a swing cut and, say, a false cut? And that's another great question. But right now what we're doing is we're learning the real version of the move that cuts the deck fairly. And then later on, we're going to learn how to make it look like we're cutting the deck, but we're actually controlling those cards. And that's when it becomes the false cut. And that's something will come up and we'll show you how to do in a later video in this series here. And if you're wondering, hey, is there some kind of routine that I should be doing? Any kind of drills that I should be doing in order to master this technique? And the answer is yes. You just want to remember that repetition is key. So when you are sitting around watching television, if you're sitting around just doing nothing, you have a little bit extra free time, just practice it. Just practice the basic full cut, practice that swing cut. And in later videos, I'll have like a practice routine of some of the techniques and the tricks and that we're learning, and kind of a practice routine that I'm following and that maybe, I highly suggest that you should follow. But, right now, just repetition is key. Another question you might have is, what should we learn after this? And again, remember, I have this program put together. So we're going to be going through step by step in what I call logical order moving forward. But, the answer is going to be, we're going to be doing the false cuts. We're going to be doing overhand shuffles, different basic card control, stuff like that. And again, follow the process that I'm showing you guys. Hopefully that will help bring us through and become a better card magician. Big thing though is not to rush the process. Remember, get these cuts down first. I'm showing you guys these videos are coming out very slowly. We're doing 2 a week. One comes out on Sunday, one comes out on Thursday, and we're doing 2 a week. And I'm bringing it through purposely slowly so that way you guys can learn the techniques that I show in that video, and then hopefully get it down, or at least get it down comfortably to some point before the next video comes out, so that way you guys can jump in right away, and gals, by the way, can jump in right away and continue on along the journey. If you're practicing at home, I would love to hear how it's going, so make sure you drop a comment below. Let me know what's working for you, what's not working for you. If you have questions, if you have suggestions on my techniques, but anything's fair game here as long as it's done constructively and we do it as a community. This channel here is about beginners. It's about myself being a beginner, and it's about sharing our journey going forward so that we can hopefully grow together and become great card magicians. Also, make sure that you subscribe and click that bell notification so that way you get notified every time we have a new video come out, like on Sundays or Thursdays when our long form videos come out. Also, click on the link here on your right hand side. That will be a link to the playlist that documents my journey thus far. If you click on the video to the other side here, that's going to bring you to the deck anatomy of the cards, so that way you can learn some of the basics. But anyhow, until next time, my name is Joe. This is my card magic journey. Let's make it yours too.